How to enable or disable GBoard keyboard vibration on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. And from the settings page, we then scroll down and tap on general management. After that, tap on GBoard settings. Then tap on preferences. From here, scroll down and tap on keyboard vibration. Tap on the toggle button to switch off or turn on GBoard vibration. When this is turned on, you can go to your GBoard. Every time you tap on the key, the phone will gently vibrate to give you feedback. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.